Hello, everybody. My name is Rashmi Kulkarni. I am from the Kibana team. I'm going to talk to you about how to make Kibana accessible and the journey so far. At Elastic, we are committed to ensure digital accessibility for people with disabilities. So, one of our core tenet is come as you are. It is built in into our source code. We are open-minded and we are inclusive of all walks of life. We That proves that our products also should reflect what we believe in, and they are the extension of our company culture. Kibana has had a long history in accessibility. So the first issue was filed somewhere back in October of 2014. From there to now, there has been a huge ocean of change. So I'll take you through that journey in these slides. The federal government contracts which we have require a 508 compliance, and they have to meet WCAG standards. By what I mean by WCAG in short is the website should be usable, the website should be perceivable, accessible, and understandable for people with and without disabilities. So the conformance level should be there according to the ADA. So Kibana declares the VPAT. What I mean by VPAT is Voluntary Product Access Template. So this template is publicly given to people who want it. You can request it by sending an email to accessibility@elastic.co. And in this template, with the version 7.13, which is available currently, we give you a breakdown of what are the radio buttons, what are the breakdowns, what are the area labels, what are the so on and so forth, like the navigations and all these. So this is the standard template across the company. And now coming back to Kibana under the hood, right? Kibana is very huge. What I mean by huge is under the Kibana umbrella, there are many apps embedded inside. So we need a consistent and a consolidated experience across all the apps and across all the navigation, be it a submenu, menu, left bar, right bar, the headings, the landmarks, the navigation links, the save buttons, the radio buttons, etc. So we need a consistent experience across all the apps, right? So for this, we have developed Elastic UI. It's a component library which is the backbone of the Kibana. So this is a repo where external contributors can also contribute to this. So it has only grown as I have seen. And then by using this Elasticsearch UI charting library and the Elastic UI component library, we are providing, making sure that it is a consistent experience across Kibana, Elastic Cloud, and any other UI team which is using the Elastic UI component library. Here, I'm going to take you on a little bit of demo on how what I mean by consistent behavior in our Kibana app. Here I have opened Lens application, which is this is our Kibana app. This is the Lens application. This is a Lens Visualize library. As you can see, there are many breadcrumbs. This is kind of loaded feature. So we have the left menu, we have the right menu, and we have the center. So this is what I mean by accessibility. Here is it is all keyboard accessible. I can do the same things like dragging and dropping, and the whatever features which I'm doing via the mouse, I can be doing via the arrow keys, enter keys, uh, uh, and then hover over them, and then pull them here, and it gives the suggestive ideas of how it is. So you can also, the drop down menu is accessible via the up and down keys here. And I would like to mention that there is voiceover technology inbuilt in Mac, which supports this kind of navigation, so that it reads out. For the paucity of time, I'm not going to go into the voiceover here, but everything, the headings, the submenus, menus, the up down keys, the formats which you see here, everything is readable via the voiceover app. So what I mean by accessibility testing is we have the comprehensive test coverage, both manual and automated, for our framework, so for our UI. So anybody, it is also welcome for community contributions as well. So for we test using different keyboards, different test applications, and different devices, different screen sizes, and using different assistive technologies like voiceover, screen readers, NVDA, and we RDP into a virtual box and see the software, how it is behaving in under in the different operating systems, like using the magnifying software, using the voiceovers, screen readers, etc. And under the hood of this automated testing is our axe core library, which is integrated into the functional test runner, which does end-to-end testing of covering of like, say for example, I have this area label to be selected, and then whether this button has the area label or the navigation links are as expected it to be, there are no broken links, and so on and so forth. So you get the point. Like, yeah, testing goes hand in hand with development, and that is what our core tenet believes in. Like, come as you are. The product should be usable by everybody, and making testing a part of this early in the development cycle gives us the ability to roll out good and usable products by everybody. So in this slide, I have just thrown in some useful links. So for example, if you want a VPAT of our version 13, you can send an email to accessibility@elastic.co, and we'll be happy to send you the VPAT for our product. So here also here is the accessibility statement. It's a public statement issued by Elastic. Elasticsearch EUI is the GitHub where internal and external contributors contribute to the accessibility guidelines, and make it more robust. And the meta issue is tracked in that GitHub issue. So I hope you have enjoyed this demo, and hope to make this product more accessible and the world more accessible. Thank you.